Hey lovelies! Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my 2-hour oxygen renewal facial on my client Sibby. He's been coming to me for over a year, and when we started he suffered from frequent forehead breakouts and deeper pigmentation, but as you can see from these progress photos, his skin is now much clearer, and we're now just managing those breakouts and trying to reduce pigmentation even further. Since it's the end of the summer, I wanted to target his deeper concerns while also infusing oxygen for renewal. This treatment is on the more advanced side, so I would always proceed with caution and customize these steps for your client's skin type and concerns. I'll also be throwing in some pro tips in here for you guys, so be sure to grab your pen and paper and take notes. I'll also be featuring some of my new favorite devices from Zemits and Lemieux. I hope you enjoy, like this video, and subscribe, and continue watching. So what would you say to the men maybe watching this, why they should take care of their skin and what it's done for you?
Yeah, it's relaxing. I mean, when I look in the mirror now, compared to when we started, it feels good sometimes just to see the improvement.
Yeah, like
and just
what
take
kind
care.
of improvement do you feel like you've seen?
Oh, definitely in the forehead area, like a lot of the scarring and acne when I first started coming in. It was pretty prevalent on the forehead, but now it's a lot more under control, and you know, when I look in the mirror now, it's not as stressful, I would say.
You're like, hey.
Yeah, exactly. It's just nice not to have to worry about it.
Yeah. A tip that I picked up from a trade show and a class that I took is to apply the cleanser directly to the skin first and then activate it with the water. I do feel it gives me more control, and it feels like it gives a deeper clean and more direct access of the ingredients to the skin. Another pro tip, if you're adding an appeal or any other form of exfoliation after the hydrodermabrasion, cut your number of passes in half. This keeps the skin from being over-exfoliated while still getting all of the benefits. It's little adjustments like this that make advanced treatments safe and effective. Always pause and evaluate your client's skin before moving into a second exfoliation after hydrodermabrasion. Some protocols list this step in a certain order, but your client's comfort and your professional judgment should come first. Adjust the treatment as needed, and this is exactly the kind of decision making I teach inside my advanced training program. like to sandwich my serum during nano infusion, meaning I apply it first to the skin, then perform the nano infusion, and then apply another layer of serum and massage it in. Studies show this method can enhance penetration and results, making it a great way to get the most out of your active ingredients.
How's that feeling?
Pretty good.
That wraps up my 2-hour oxygen renewal facial. Sibby's skin looked refreshed and more even. He did have slight inflammation, which is pretty normal after the nano infusion, which is why I cooled it down with the cryo cooling tool. And he told me that it cleared up and everything was great. So be sure to check in with your client. And remember, tailor your advanced treatments like this to your client's skin type, history, and tolerance.